This video is going to show us how we are able to access the PDF Read and Write Reader by Text Help. So when we have a PDF within our Google Drives for the London District Catholic School Board, we are able to click on that PDF, and it's going to at the top have Open With. What you want to be able to do is come down to the purple puzzle piece for Read and Write for Google Chrome, and it's going to open up as in the PDF viewer. You'll notice at the top that the tools are a little bit different looking than they are in the website or on Google Docs. So here, this is a practice so that we can get better at using this. So the first thing we're going to do is our click to speak. We are going to be able to click on that. We notice that the purple lines underneath it, just like in our other toolbars. And wherever I click, it's going to read. And we can hit stop, or we can just click on our PDF writer. So that's the first tool that we're going to look at. The next one is when we want to be able to write on a PDF, we need to click on the T. We see that the purple line is on, and then I'll be able to click here. I can do a name, and these three little dots on the side allow me to stretch it out. I can also make the font smaller or bigger, and I can also change my font color. So you have a lot of different tools. The other one is if you want to read what you have typed within this toolbar, you'll be able to click on the play button. Okay. You also have your prediction. So as you begin to type, you'll be able to use your prediction. Turn it on. And here are my different words that I would be able to put in. Okay. The next set of tools down here, there are many useful tools in Read and Write. We're going to practice using the tools in the PDF reader. You can see as I click, my text is still on. You can see the purple line is still on at the top. We're going to turn that off. Perfect, and now I'm able to click. So this is a common type of question on exams or on paper. And before Read and Write had made some changes, this was a challenging task to do. So what I'd like to be able to show you is that we do have shape drawings, and within our shape drawings, we can use our draw tool. We can change the thickness of our line as well as the color of our line. So from voice typing, I would just click, hold, and take it up to my voice typing. Next line, I may change the color. We'll go to a green, and I will go from prediction down to prediction. Now this is one way that we could do it. The other one that we have is our freehand drawing. And I'll just show you how freehand drawing works. It is the same way, it's just not as straight of a line. Some students may find that a little bit more challenging, or they may like using that tool. So we just want to make sure that students are able to use whichever tools that they need. Now we're going to turn that tool off. If I do want to delete one of my lines, I would then be able to, after I turn it off, I would then be able to click on the line, and I can either hit check mark or the delete button, or I can drag it to move it. So we're going to delete it. Now down here, indicate your level of comfort with the Read and Write tools. We're still learning. I know some, or I'm an expert. So we have some different tools that we could use. We could practice using our freehand drawing again, and we would circle around it. Okay. That's one option. Our other option is using our shape tools, and we may choose a circle, and we'll change our color again to a light orange. Okay. I'm not over top of the circle, so I would turn off my tool, click on it, and be able to move it to where I want it to go. I know some is falling in there. Now my preferred method is using the highlighter. So when I click on the highlighters, they all drop down. I can then choose my text and select it. So all three ways of this allow us to look at our toolbar. The last one we can see is what is your favorite tool in Read and Write? So we're going to use our text. And I'm going to put it on the line. And we have our predictions still on. And I'll reduce the size of the text. But I can also see that I have my headset. So I can actually type with my voice right in the PDF. I'm going to say allow. My favorite tool is Read and Write. Is the talk and type, because I can spell without worrying about my spelling. Okay. And we would be able to put that whole sentence in. So these are the tools that we would be using within our Read and Write PDF